Hello folks, Larry Barones here in Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens. I just want to give you some information on a few of the upcoming events that I have coming for this month, but there will be a whole lot more. On Friday the 8th at 6:30 p.m. Central Time, the Pen Club Zoom is having the Fort Worth Pen Club there on my Zoom Pen Hangout. So Fort Worth Pen Club on my Zoom channel. You got that? And then on January 12th, I'll be having my usual with Tony
Rusty C.
on the Pen Pal meeting again on my Zoom Pen Hangout at 6:30 p. Central Time. I'm trying to get the lineup for my guests for this month, but you know, I've been through this huge ordeal with the loss of Cubby. I haven't really had time to focus on what I'm going to be doing, when I'm going to be able to do it, but I'm going to try to get some of the guests in this month. I know Apple Boom is going to be on, and I believe the gentleman from Magna Carta is going to be on, and I believe Loretta from Euchre's Fountain Pens, she's going to be on, and there's another gentleman from India that's going to be on. So I've got people coming on. I just got to get with them and work out dates and times. So that's going to do it. So thank you for hanging with me. And I guess, you know, I'm in the healing process right now, and it's going to take some time for this one. It's something that just doesn't heal over a day or two, doesn't heal in a week or two. This is going to take some time, at least for me. So with that said, take care, follow the rules, be safe, a lot of peace, a lot of love. Wash those hands, and as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.